What if I told you that this $100 bill could make you money while you sleep? Sounds impossible? Then watch closely, because today I'll show you 7 real ways to turn $100 into a source of passive income that keeps paying you long after the work is done. Let's be honest, $100 doesn't feel like much today. It's what you might spend on a weekend out or a single grocery trip. But what separates those who struggle financially from those who grow rich isn't the amount they start with. It's what they do with it. While most people spend that $100 and forget about it, the wealthy use it to buy assets that quietly earn money in the background. So in this video, we are diving deep into 7 proven passive income ideas you can start with just $100. Ideas that don't require fancy degrees, a huge audience, or quitting your job. And if you stay till the end, I'll share one bonus strategy that the top 1% use to multiply even small amounts of cash fast. Let's start with one of the oldest and most trusted passive income streams, dividend investing. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, or Johnson & Johnson pay their investors a small part of their profits every quarter, called dividends. With just $100, you can start through apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Webull and buy fractional shares. For example, if you invest $100 in a dividend stock with a 5% annual yield, that's $5 per year. Doesn't sound like much, right? But reinvest those dividends and keep adding $50 each month, and over time, it snowballs. The wealthy aren't getting rich from one big win. They get rich by letting time and compounding do the heavy lifting. You're not just buying a stock, you're buying a small piece of a money-making machine. Next up, imagine creating something once and getting paid for it again and again. That's the magic of digital products. With $100, you can design printable planners, budgeting spreadsheets, or ebooks using free tools like Canva. Then upload them to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Every time someone buys your digital file, you make money, even while you're sleeping. No inventory, no shipping, no customer calls. It's not about being an expert. It's about solving a problem. For example, a debt payoff tracker or savings challenge template could bring you hundreds of sales over time. You create once, the internet does the rest. Idea number 3 is affiliate marketing. The digital middleman. If you've ever recommended a product to a friend, you've already done affiliate marketing. You just didn't get paid for it. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services you like, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. You can start for free, but your $100 can go into creating a simple website or running small ads to get traffic. Join platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact Radius. Pick products you truly believe in, maybe finance tools, books, or productivity apps. The goal isn't to sell. It's to help people discover what actually works. And when you build that trust, your links become your income. What if you could build a YouTube channel without showing your face or recording anything yourself? That's YouTube automation, one of the most popular ways to make passive income right now. Your $100 could go toward AI tools, voiceovers, or editing software. You can create videos using free visuals, stock footage, and AI narration, just like this one you're watching. Once your videos start getting views, YouTube pays you through ad revenue. And the best part? A single viral video can earn you for months or even years. You're building a digital asset, one video at a time. And every video becomes your employee, working 24/7 without asking for a raise. Most people let their money sit in a regular savings account, earning basically nothing. But what if your money could work while it waits? That's where high-yield savings accounts or peer-to-peer lending platforms come in. With P2P lending, your $100 gets lent to borrowers, and you earn interest as they pay back. Some platforms offer returns between 6% to 10% annually. It's not risk-free, but it's far more productive than leaving money idle. Remember, rich people don't let their money sleep. They hire their money to work for them. Idea number 6, buy and flip domain names. Every website needs a name, and some names are worth a fortune. People have made thousands flipping domain names like businessinsider.com or hotels.com, which sold for millions. But even today, you can start small. With $100, you can buy 5 to 10 domain names on Namecheap or GoDaddy, focusing on trends like AI tools, finance, or future tech. Hold them and list them for sale on Flippa or Sedo. Think of it like digital real estate. You're buying property on the internet, waiting for the right buyer to knock. And idea number 7, create a simple online course. Everyone knows something that others would pay to learn. You might be good at budgeting, Excel, writing resumes, or editing photos. Turn that skill into a mini course using free platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Use your $100 for a good mic, Canva graphics, or a video editor. Once it's uploaded, every student that joins becomes a stream of passive income, and your knowledge keeps paying you back. Don't underestimate what you know. The skill that feels ordinary to you could be life-changing for someone else. Now for the bonus tip. Here spät the truth no one wants to hear. The best passive income investment isn't PaySpate, Tia stock, or a website, or even crypto. It's you. Use that same $100 to buy a course, a book, or an online mentorship that teaches you a real, scalable skill. Because every dollar you spend learning something valuable multiplies in every part of your life. Passive income doesn't start with money, it starts with mindset. The mindset that says, I can make money work for me. Think about it. $100 want to change your life if you spend it on a night out. But if you invest it in the right direction, it could start a chain reaction that changes your financial future forever. You don't need luck. You need leverage, the kind that turns small money into big opportunities. Remember, the goal isn't datu to make quick cash. It all to build income streams that never stop paying you. Because every dollar you earn passively gives you more freedom, and every bit of freedom brings you closer to the life you truly want. So, which of these 7 ideas would you start with today? Comment below. I'd love to hear your plan. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because every week we share powerful ways to build wealth, even on a small income. This is financial literacy, where your money starts working harder than you do.